Now that you're confident in collaborating and sharing resources from Kami, it's time to unlock the potential of Kami's integration with Google Classroom. Teachers can expect a time-saving workflow from assignment creation and real-time intervention to providing feedback and grading. If this is your first time creating a Kami assignment, it's also the quickest way to add students to your Kami teacher license. Let's take a look at creating a Kami assignment with Google Classroom. You can choose to start within Classroom or start from your Kami dashboard. If you have a resource ready to go, click Google Classroom Assignment and fill out the fields. You can attach a file, drop a Kami link, or choose a Kami library template. Next, select a class. You can even set feature controls before assigning. Otherwise, you can always create something new and add in instructions before attaching it as a file in the assignment. If you start in Google Classroom, head to the Classwork tab and select Create. Then select Kami Assignment. Follow the prompts to complete the assignment. You can also set feature controls and add mobile links. After you've assigned the work, all your students who've created an account and opened the assignment will be added to your teacher license. With Kami's seamless integration, your students can open their assignments from Google Classroom and have access to all the tools they need to complete their work. Once set, your students can see their assignment in Classwork and open it in Kami with a click of a button. Unless you've set limitations using feature control, students get full access to Kami's toolbar. When they complete their work, they simply click Turn It In to automatically submit the assignment back to you. It's that easy. Now for more magic. With ClassView, you can monitor all your students' progress and provide individualized feedback as needed. This step is crucial for real-time intervention to support students and give them what they need to get back on track. To use ClassView, head to Student Work in Google Classroom, where you'll find the Kami ClassView button. The assignment will open in Kami. Here, students' work is presented in columns, and their pages in rows. At the top of each column, you'll see the student's name, their assignment status, and a field where you can enter their grade. If you see that students have questions or are struggling to understand the task, you can update the assignment content, give individualized feedback or instructions on the fly, and push these changes to the entire class. To edit an assignment, click Update Work, or if you're previewing the assignment, the button can be found in the top right of your window. Make your changes, then click Publish Changes to apply them to all students' files. Pro tip: save your frequently used feedback to the annotation bank. This handy feature allows you to reuse effective comments, saving precious time. Changes appear immediately for open assignments. Ready for grading? With every student in one view, it couldn't be easier. Simply add each student's grade and return assignments individually. You can also do it at once by clicking Return All. Your grades will then auto-sync with your LMS gradebook, so no time is wasted. And there we have it. You're ready to use Kami with your LMS. For more tips on personalizing feedback and exploring more assessment features like Insights, the question tool, and more, check out our Level 2 course. Stay tuned for our next module, where we'll dive deeper into maximizing Kami's features for your classroom.